Today, we'll be learning how to set up regions in Command Center Online, which we will refer to as CCO. First, let's visit calsense.net and log in using your username and password. Once logged in, you'll land on the home page. Take note of the left-hand side of the screen where your sites are listed. By default, all your sites will be grouped under Not Assigned to a Region. To organize these sites into regions, navigate to the Setup tab in the top navigation bar. From the drop-down menu, select Site/Controllers. Here, you'll see a full list of site names and controllers. Now, look to the top right and click the Regions button. You've now reached the Add New Region page. To create a region, enter a name that best suits your needs. Some examples include assigning sites to specific teammates, grouping sites by a unique hub, organizing sites by location, and categorizing sites with unique accessories. Once you've named your region, click the Add Regions button. Now your new region appears in the region name list. You can edit the name by selecting Edit next to it, or remove it entirely using the Delete button. Let's assign a site to this new region. You'll be brought to the Site Settings page. Locate the Region drop-down menu, then select the newly created region. Once selected, press Save. Now back on the Add New Region page, we can see our site is assigned to the correct region. Finally, if we return to the home page, we'll now see our site is organized by region. There are a few things we would like to note. Administrator accounts can add, edit, and delete regions by default. Standard users with Add Controllers and Sites or Edit Controllers and Sites permissions can do so as well. Standard users must be assigned to their respective sites during account creation to see them within regions. FlowSense chains are site-specific and will display controllers below their site within the assigned region. Currently, this feature is only available in Desktop CCO, not Calsense Connect. You can send region-specific quick tasks, such as turn on and off and send no water days. Thank you for learning how to set up regions in Command Center Online.